Hi everyone! You probably noticed I'm in a different area right now because I wanted to show you a game that I have to have floor space to play. And so you'll also need some floor space for this game. So you'll use your number cards. Oh, it's really hard to see that. There you go, number cards. And what you're going to do is, this is a game called Oops. You know, like, oops, made a mistake. So for this game, it's kind of fun. But you'll use a floor space. And you're going to take your number cards. They might be in order because that's how I put them in the envelope. I know we've used them, so they might be a little bit out of order. But what you want to do with your cards is you're going to kind of mix them up. And you're going to pretend that you drop them, okay? Ready? Like, oopsie. You can even pretend again. Oops, drop my cards again. Oops. Oh, gosh. Guess what happened to my cards? They are all mixed up. Oh my goodness. So now my job, I know you can't really see my numbers very well, but my job is going to be to get these cards in order from 1 all the way up to my highest card. Your highest card might be 20, it might be 30. For me, I think I have cards that go up to 15. So I'm going to start, like here's number 1. Oh my gosh, it's really hard for you to see because of the light. I'm sorry. But this is card number 1. So I'm going to start with my card number 1. Now I'm going to look through these mixed up crazy cards and find my number. So they're all mixed up here. I'm going to find my number 2. And that has to go next. Number 2. Okay, then I might need to turn them over so I can see my cards. And I need to find number 3. Goodness, Willow. This is kind of a challenging spot. Can you scoot over a tiny bit? There we go. Okay, found my number 3. Okay, so far I have 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. Okay, I need to find my 4. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's next? Oh, it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. 7. And you'll keep going with all your cards until you get them in order from 1 to your biggest number. And you can use your hundreds chart to check it if you want to make sure you have them in order. And then, well, you can pick them up again. Like you're just picking them up so carefully and whoops. Oh my gosh, my cards really went everywhere. I have to get them all in order again. They're everywhere this time. Okay, so gather up your cards again. And then do it again. Put them in order. You could choose this time to go from the biggest number down to your smallest. So my biggest number is, can you see that? I don't know how, the light is so hard makes it so hard to see it. Do you know what number that is? 15. So that's my biggest. I'm going to start with 15. So if I were counting backwards, what would be my number that comes next? Let's see. Oh, I really have to think. If you need to use your hundreds chart to help you, you can. I think it's 14. So 15 and then 14. Anyone know what would come next if I'm counting backwards? 15, 14. That's right. It's 13. Oh, of course, there's someone at the door right this minute. Okay, so go ahead and work on getting those in order. You can go from the biggest number down to the smallest number. Then if you want to do it again, you can again spread out your cards again, and you can go from smallest to biggest, or you can decide to go from biggest to smallest. So go ahead. This is a really fun game. When we play this in school, the kids usually love this game. This one's called Oops. So remember, when you scatter your cards, don't forget to say, oops. Okay, everyone, have fun with it.